Wakona kanya kuatana bajuki Nteto chieto chia Weru Thaa Mugwanja oni mbeto wa WINNIE wa King'ero tukiambiriria ni ati county secretary uro watilite kaiteneka ura nowe minister wa watho nethirite agitongeria mutaratara ya kuwagirithia na inya kutheria tauni ya Meru na thoko ya Gakoromone ibo kendo tiera mitaro itikwithire kingana muno kaita kambura yethirite ikiambiriria kura.
Public health, viva! Viva! We believe that Meru has a population of close to 1.6 million population, and according to the standards, that the WHO ratios, one PHO is actually supposed to take care of around 7,000 population, and 1.6 population against close to around 100 PHOs. I think is something the governor has agreed with us that we need to do better in terms of employing public health officers and also promoting PHOs, comrades power. There are issues we saw in the media yesterday about the PS for correctional services saying that Meru is leading in HIV and AIDS issues in this country. We want to say, Madam PS, in fact, you are leading. You gave a wrong statement, and you also in a wrong docket. Our PS, Mary Muthoni, knows better because these PHOs are the ones who are actually charged with the mandate of preventing diseases. Meru is doing better. But what we're actually saying today is that we need to improve, because really you cannot come up as a PS and give unconfirmed, unverified data.
Na tengo gewe kwa alide mantu HIV etete akakarande akandecide wewengwa kiongo kiawe mbuga na family yewe akathithia recharge yewe kiongo kiawe na family yewe akeja akarita akauga Meru County number 1 na HIV kana murimu wa mukingo nabo ni orongo ituje ni orongo na inguto na PS akethwa ateja ugasore Meru County no monka achunguzwe ri no mutumite niki akwenda kuthukiria tole Meru niki akwenda atali batekeje Meru niki akwenda investors batekeje Meru niki no ntwa kwalire mantu HIV na to PS or medical services na gwatweka ati ita apology kana atiuga sorry tukamwandikira na twirinde gwete nyobisine okwandamana no as Meru people.
The Minister of Health has not balanced its budget. We have had a lot of resources going towards curative. We need to have commensurate budget. Our word is commensurate. If you are giving curative 50 billion, we need an equivalent, even more than 50 billion awarded to public health. Comrades power.
PS biako kedo kominete Meru no tekwenda yona resources utekwenda yona investors tafadhali. Don't try this time. Yes. Chunga sana.
Leo kango chokia nkatho no tubangavana wetu kwithira atwete kanya kagwa kwithira Meru County twina strong public health na tukitega ura mirimo ekwendelea na tumbo miandirisi yonthe ta ura riu tukuga kwi muritingo wa thirikari kuma national ya we PS wetu wa correction services augere Meru itotongerete mantu ni asie ya HIV. Meru twikuraja kinya tutikire inya top 20 counties zira zina murimo ya HIV yore iguru muno batu Meru twi percent ni 1.4 reducing to 1.2 na kato kwende na mwanka 0.5 kete utweka anto gre igana rimwe ni anto batano bomba kuthimo bakoneka wena murimo ya HIV.
Kongina kunia temu siasa kumo wa kaunti ya Meru karo Murioki nethirite nendia kithula nethirite akiwata Nteto ati baba ingi batongeria kumo wa kaunti ya Meru bareo MCAs na bunge bainchireni ya kwithira bakithama kuma kithirikari.
Ridai te mantu strange na te mantu tumba kuga I surprise. Jai mantu twirigirite na ituje inya bamwe they are on their marks. Tuge kide I county assembly baraba ingi imbije bakeja na imbije inya bongo batikunganirwa kide I MPs ba moinya ibato express rate interest bakauga bo batikunganirwa kinya baraba ingi bagweta ara kwa area rais itokumenya nya wengo na kumenya they are not genuine nonto ibato on the sidelines ibeja batwira tutikunganirwa. And why not? Kithea ugo kuthurwo ndene miaka 5 na we murengo ne jumwe no kona kutina tangible benefits iria Meru bakuona gutethereria antu bao. Menya MP athura wakenda eta gukaria national cake na kugitirwa ka portion ka the national cake. Ekeja kwithirwa mwanka thai ndene miaka 3 no kona nande finish line twitite gutina tangible benefits kana inya promises mawira ne jara bekirite na antu batiromba kujuria utikwirigira in the next 1 year kwebyo bikathithia na ugo no kumeojaja wa within the first 1-2 years progress yeku. The third year either way ito monitoring na evaluation kuonekana projects irio thithitie in the first 2 years. That I mean fourth year either way kira kipindi cha kira wa finishing line. So utegete ndene Meru County sincerely na ndi aririria oni no thimenti but tutumba kuga kwina any tangible benefit tumbite kuona kumania na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza. Kou kida no thimenti re ithero central no thimenti Meru County ni kario aende na nginaku no it's a similar imanto cha kuonekana no gwetanetio ikeno tukona MPs batinganiri na inya MCAs batinganiri kwere. From my own understanding the mouth speaketh niwa muchonko uga the mouth speaketh what the heart says. Ko inkoro ya uga bagaita thiru muromo ko bataize inya no president wa mbere maibonere on the confusion kinya kueja na development agenda Meru batarinio yari like choir praise and worship ko bara inya baromba ringi kura bao ja MP okwa ajokiri aramwira o anto ba no thimenti bakajokia ba uremetho bakaringa kura bateko meanoe ikura mbi bakoringira na ikanisene twita kanisene kworiene kworua na kwewa hope na ndende inya MP akarunga mo kanisene mbere madhabao na bishop bare auga anto ba murungu bakaura metho batemenye inya ikurere ko bakoringa okona. That was not even a development agenda. And anyway, the first question we should ask ourselves kintu kira tubwiri go tioria kathenya miariora ne bwiri kwa rwendene ke president ndogana yendera president yajite gintu kiambere ka withero chiandikirite mutojo waku na inyaka notebook gaku mantujero kwenda president yathithiria antu baku kende nya wakara ntukwire okeja kwaririria antu uga ibo igirwe ndekona indaboromberere kina na kina indi gitombere okinya indi okeja kwithura MPs beto inya batikomba ko recognize the man in power, the symbol of unity of Kenya batikomearie tore yawe eu ningwa ntikomenyora mpombaga ija tao Babel ke Bibilia ndira bakara waka kona confusion yajerera murungu aratoma different languages barare moiko kugwatanira ko wote ngwataniro ya atongeria ba Meru yonekanira aja ote development agenda ya articulated no tekyo batu tukethura tukiona
Rwangi rwa kurwana na nchobi ndege iwatho kana dawa chiambogita na kanda ibethirite bakithukira ntere chia kurogocho ntuku ye ngoro na rabarethire bakinyagia nchobi ndege iwatho lita 1,000 ni nyotire muntu umwe kirimpine bakere mabitha bai batumirite ati batipira becho kanyuma kimantu yegiotiere bakurwana na nchobi chibango.
Naweza sema aje mfanye kazi inaumiza vijana, inaua, hakuna kitu inasaidia. Huyo mtu mimi sijamjua sana, ndio nimekuja hapa nikiwa mzima hivyo. Unaona? Sijamjua sana. Unaona? Sasa ni venye naweza sema tu nimemjua tu juzi. Hata hiyo kazi ameanza tu juzi. Unaona? Sasa mimi nasema naomba nimekuja hapa nikakuta kukiwa tu hivyo.
Okay, hapa vile tunaweza sema hapa ni Gorogosho. Na hapa nyuma kuna Damsite River. We have the Nairobi River hapa inapita hapa. Kulingana na ile habari tulipata kutoka wananchi ni kwamba kuna changa mingi zinapigwa hapa kwa mavitongoji duni kwa slums na tukakuja na tukapata kuarrest hii kijana. Hii kijana alikuwa na wengine but walipotea, but tutarudi hawa baadaye. So tulipata kuharibu kangara lita 1,000 na tukapata chang'aa lita karibu 100. So huyu tutampeleka kotini achajiwe akuwe kwa koti so that charges ama mashtaka iendeleshwe. So hiyo operesheni tunasema kwamba itaendelea na sio vitisho na sio ukora ama nini. Serikali iko imara kuonyesha kwamba udhabiti dhidi ya mihadarati na pombe inaisha katika hii vitongoji zetu za Nairobi hapa. Mara kwa mara hii watu wanajaribu kukwepa mtego wa serikali ama polisi, sababu utapata wanaendelea na hii kazi ya kupiga hii pombe kuanzia saa 5 usiku mpaka karibu asubuhi saa 11. So kabla ya kupiga ama kukuja kuwashika, huwa tunashika doria kwanza kulingana na ile information wananchi wana provide. So tungeomba wananchi waendelee kutupasha habari kwa nakada kwa polisi.
Kongina kuni ate chibitare ya Mama Lucy Kibaki nethirite nende kiongela kana kwambiriria wa kibwa kongela kwa chibitare itanda 53 chibitare regiretwe kwithira nende etungatira ana banini untubura mabitha ba chibitare bakiaria bawete baithirite bakiongela chibitare bo kendo tiri bakunige mutitikano yura yuithirite yekuyirwa kuo.
My name is Dr. Nteto, Chair of the Board, Mama Lucy Kibaki Hospital. And today we are very, very excited and grateful really to God for the opportunity and the privilege that Nest 360 have come to fund an infrastructure that is very important for Mama Lucy Kibaki Hospital. I want to also begin and most importantly to thank our Governor Sakaja, who has given us the authority and the mandate as the board of Mama Lucy Kibaki Hospital to lead this hospital, bring all types of resources from all types of partners to come and support us here to ensure that there is dignity, there is hope, and that there are opportunities, to the people around this community. Now today we were breaking ground for an NBU complex, meaning newborn unit annex, because this is where our newborn babies will be housed together with their mothers. Why? Because the model we are advised we should be following is a model of zero separation. The mother and the baby should always be together as much as possible. We have had challenges of congestion, and there is no better way than to thank Nest 360 today, who have given us the funding to put up this structure that is meant to have over 50 bed capacity unit and that will house the mothers and the babies. That is the reason we are here today at Mama Lucy Kibaki Hospital, Komarok Ward, and with me today is my board of management. We have our CEO and our medical superintendent and other doctors that have witnessed the groundbreaking today. The congestion has its own challenges. When a hospital ward is congested, it actually leads to other infections that were otherwise not anticipated if space was sufficient. But because of those challenges, you find that our newborns sometimes
Kathosha mwanya mno nontuba kwithira witite ambere na kurumira ndeto cietu cia Weru Thaa Mugwanja ugeta kuraitu chokirete na ndeto nkuluki.
Keke, kabeja na kamutu wake?
Kenda nje kwitherema nekara nice. Siri ni mutujo nice extra premium.
mutindi ngia na kamusere
Inyaju tuenaju juambishori kuma Nice Rice Millers Mwea.
Moguri wa Kinyandukene etia motujwa Nice Extra Premium. Nkima ya motujwa Nice Extra Premium eja nampwe ena mushamojo mudhongi na nikweta gogwe na nje ku nutrients na shio shabatisha Nice Extra ngano itio mainya shiarara ne imboro na imure mutheri motu tujonge ne Nice Extra Premium.
Mom, hii ugali ni tamu na ni kweli. Siri ni nice.
Watwekawe na kioria ende kithia kana no kwenda gwikira ode kuringa thimo namba 0729 661 667 kana 0755 200 197.
Ji nice na Nice Extra Premium.
This is a people's game. They will be bubbling about this one for weeks and months to come.
wase iko on. Kila game inamata. Reconnect now. Dial *423#.
Si niliwaambia? Halo. Niletee kama kawaida.
Kama sio kavagara, wacha kiumane. Ulisikia wapi sherehe bila kavagara?
Wanaoijua wanaijua. Eti kavagara ya ugali na chapo zinaongoza sokoni. Kama hujakula ugali ya kavagara, usiseme umekula ugali. Chapo yapendeza na ugali je?
Hii chapati ni tamu sana.
Omera, sherehe bila kavagara sio sherehe.
Dukani usitishe unga, itisha kavagara.
St. Teresa Mission Hospital Keruani okogwatoge ni kiricharetu wake kilomita 14 irane kurwa na murimo jo cancer Jumamosi tariki 18 mweri jo 10 mwaka jojo areto kambire shibitari ya Kerua mwanka kianine ga Kinoru Stadium the mona nusu shero kere gwatanira na tuwe twetanie twe amwe kenda turinganje kiaje ba cancer twitane manto mwanya jegie cancer na kuongera kadhalika gogetura screening ya murimo jojo na kinyako gwatira aje ba murimo jojo na njairia iringekete nimba jo sha cancer kianine ga Kinoru kukethirwa na tournament ya football na mantu jangi kathomba kugwata mbaru mutaratara jojo gura t-shirt na ngiri emwe mwaburi na ngiri na 500 kana nkobia na shiringi ngiri kana utume othe bwaku kerepe bill number 303030 account 3366# guko negotea barato endete na weregero kire barato kuruira nonto bwantito nkoro kiringa thimo number 0727811041 kana 0703726321.
We are turning up the heat on Star Times. Unravel the thriller mystery of the evil eye returns on Star Life. Fall for the irresistible charm of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim on Novella E+. Get absorbed in the emotional twists of My Wonderful Life on Novella E. Step into the all-new season of Hello Mr. Right, Kenya's most exciting dating reality show on Rainbow Plus. Renew your subscription today, starting from just 329 Kenya shillings for Nyota Bouquet on the aerial decoder or 549 Kenya shillings for Nova Bouquet on the dish decoder. Download the Star Times app to stay connected anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Kako atogeni orengi na nkatho cia mwanya muno nontu bwa kwithira witite ambere na kurumira ndeto cietu cia Weru Thaa Mugwanja twicokera tucokere na riboti ya mwanya gicunche kia biele kira tubanganiritu mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Muthuri Murioki akiuregia CDF na Lionel kanya kwithira kimurika nkuchenira chithirite cie kuyirwo kunia kigina ki.
Na kila nandi obwiri kumenya kwambia mwaka twitite mweri jwa 6 kigina kia CDF kigethwa kiutejanirwa uyu ndi kuringana na etua ria koti.
As we stand now, CDF has been declared unconstitutional, and if it is unconstitutional, it will cease operations in 30th of June 2026. With that grace period, it is not to prejudice projects ira chiari chiko allocated na ira chi ongoing na inai. So that is why court chiaje that grace period, at least projects which idriko dirambe ira chiari chiko budgeted for that project itekeja kura.
Na thineji ambirika gita karia abunge pambunge nene baundire watho na guchenja CDF bakimita national government CDF bakiriga kugwatira na seneti kukurukia watho bubu.
Now High Court nionetere uga inya sheria yu yikurukua yakurukirwi National Assembly na court niugire itakurukira procedure njega nontu procedure ya kurukaira on aspects which they could involve issues to devolution, they must pass through the Senate. Kaimonga ikurukira through Senate. Nande National Government CDF Act itakurukira through the Senate. Kana Senate was not itetekiro kuikira maoni jayo. Na that was also another reason why that act was declared unconstitutional.
Undu bojairi ni ati uti kumbikana abunge pomba kuna mambecha maturene na kuna thirikari cha matura. Undu bubu katiba ya thurite aki thirikari cha matura ni chibikuta china mbecha.
Court nyene ugire kuina duplication of processes kana duplication of functions. Duplication ikugate kuina mtu mwe uwita ngugi fulani nongia agayewa ngugi ya uwita ngugi yu itugiete twina county governments. Ngugi ya county governments imbio county governments nio thirikari nini ya county kumaanisha banenkero mbecha ira chiuma iguru ibaba bwiri kuthithia mibango ya uria barabara chetu sibitari skuru all those things chibwiri kuthithia ta kuendereithwa onenkera MP mbecha cha CDF kweja na basari kweja gwaka irasi vya skuru kweja gwaka barabara koba ngugi iria ibwiri kwethirwa igitawa na executive, and that is the county government, the respective county governments.
Na kwambia mwaka tutojo kithirikari uragwakara ni ati abunge batitha bena kigina kia CDF na ningugi ya ira nene ikithwa ni gutuma tupia thirikari nene kimirandi yao na kuunda mawatho.
Peace ngugi yao nayo bakathithia atia bakaitoja ngugi ya county assembly na area ki national. Ngugi yao iko oversight projects ya national na ko legislate ka kuthithia sheria na kuthithia mbio kutaka kithia projects cha national government ichi kuendelea mbio wega.
Kiri muthenya ruju na gicunjio kia muthia tukithwa twigwata uge bwatongire mwanya urabendekithia kigina giki ona kinya ketha igiotejanirwa urakibiri kuthwa gitumika muthuri Muriuki kiri rugono mwanya kiuria kia CDF.
Kathoshe mwanya muno kiwe muthuri Muriuki kiwe mutegeri na kibonthe barabomba kwithira bekinyanilia nteto chietu chia Weru Thaa Mugwanja tukirwa ringa kwendera kaita kia na ntukwinjia URETERI mopia murunku mwenenya honi betwa WINNIE wa King'ero.